Well, welcome back, my friends. Okay, are you thinking about investing in real estate? Are you wanting to find a fixer-upper? Investing in fixer-upper properties can both be exciting and also daunting. Well, these homes often come with a lower price tag, which can be appealing to investors looking for a great deal. But buying a property that needs work requires careful planning and consideration. One of the biggest attractions of investing in a fixer-upper is the potential for the profits. When you purchase a home at a lower price and then renovate it, you can significantly increase its value. This means that once you've done the renovations and they're complete, you can sell this home for a much higher price, resulting in a nice profit. Many investors are drawn to this strategy because it offers them to take the chance to make considerable return on their investment. Finding a fixer-upper that has good potential requires some research. Not all properties that need work will be worth the investment. It is essential to look for homes in desirable neighborhoods, as this can greatly influence their resale value. It helps to identify properties with structural issues that are easy to fix or homes that just need some cosmetic updates like new paint or flooring, while it's important to keep an eye on the cost of the renovations. Having a solid plan in place can help ensure that all projects stay on budget and on schedule. So, taking on a renovation project can often bring a variety of challenges. To underestimate the cost of repairs and renovations, leading to unexpected expenses. If the home needs a new roof or a major plumbing work, these costs can quickly add up. Investors must be prepared for these potential expenses and should budget accordingly. Rule of thumb is to set aside an extra 10 to 20% of renovation budgets for your unforeseen issues. You know it's always going to happen. Some other challenges that come up with fixer-uppers is the timing involved. Renovations can take a little bit longer than expected, especially if there are delays in obtaining permits or hiring contractors. It's critical to have a realistic timeline for the project. Considering the potential setbacks, this means being flexible and understanding that sometimes things don't always go according to plan. Gee, don't I know that? Some investors choose to manage the renovations themselves, which can save money, but it also requires a significant time commitment. Others hire a contractor, which can save on some stress, but also adds to the overall cost. In addition to financial and time consideration, there are emotional aspects to consider as well. Renovating a property can be a stressful experience. It's an investment, and it's important to remain patient and focus on the end goal. There are many moments of frustration, particularly when facing unexpected challenges or delays. Keeping a positive mindset can help you navigate through these moments and maintain motivation throughout the renovation process. So once the renovations are complete, the next step is to determine how to sell the property or whether to keep it as a rental. If selling, it's important to price the home competitively based on the comparable properties in the area. So this is going to involve conducting a thorough market research to understand current trends and pricing strategies, which you can use me for that. Staging the home can also make a significant difference in attracting buyers, as well as a well-staged home can help potential buyers visualize themselves living in the space, which can lead to a quicker sale. So if an investor decides to keep the property as a rental, it can provide a steady, streamlined income. This is particularly appealing in areas with a high demand for rental properties. Before making the decision, it's essential to evaluate the potential rental income and its expenses, such as property management fees, maintenance costs, and the taxes. Being a landlord also comes with responsibilities such as maintaining the property and handling tenant issues. So, investing in a fixer-upper property can be rewarding and for those willing to put in the effort and time. While there are risks involved, the potential for significant financial rewards can make it all worthwhile. So, with careful planning, research, a positive attitude, investors can navigate the challenges that come with renovating a property. Whether selling for profit or renting for passive income, fixer-uppers offer a unique opportunity to build wealth and create value in the real estate market. This experience can be fulfilling, allowing investors to transform neglected properties into beautiful homes, which also contribute to the improvement of neighborhoods. The journey may be filled with ups and downs, but for many, the rewards make it all worthwhile. So, if we haven't met yet, I'm Annette Marble. I am with Key Realty, and I am obsessed with everything in Central Ohio. I live in Central Ohio, and I love helping you make this place home. So please follow along for all things home, local, and fun. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and on TikTok. Reach out today if you'd like me to set you up with a search site to help you find some amazing deals on some fixer-uppers. And don't forget, we are always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.